Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Tagalog. Today, let's learn common family member names in Tagalog. Let's begin. Tatay, Nanay, Kuya, Ate, Bunso. Repeat after me. Tatay, Nanay, Kuya, Ate, Bunso. Now let's learn more family words. Lolo, Lola, Tito, Tita, Pinsan. Repeat after me. Lolo, Lola, Tito, Tita, Pinsan. If some words feel hard to remember, that's okay. Try practicing them repeatedly and you can always come back to this video anytime you need a review. The more you hear and use the words, the easier they become. And that's it for today. Now you know some common family member names in Tagalog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to learn next. And if you want to learn more simple Tagalog, check out my other lessons too. Salamat, and I'll see you in the next lesson.